Hey everybody. Thanks for hitting the play button. Welcome to the new subscribers. Today we're going to go up to the log deck, do a little bit of cutting with some different saws. We got the 026 with the chippy-ized cylinder, and we got the 390 from JK Saw Shop, and we've got the 572 from Tony up at the saw shop, at the Husky shop, Fix It All shop. And we got the PV. We're gonna try to get put the PV to work a little bit today. So thanks for joining me. Like I said, welcome to the new subscribers. We really appreciate it. We'll see you on the log deck. That's pretty nice. I think it's starting to break in. I think it's getting there. This is like tank 4, I think. Those rings are starting to get right. It's running good, cutting nice. that size of wood, this chain's pretty hungry, but this size of wood, this thing just rips. That's all there is to it. Bigger wood, it can get bogged down, no doubt about it. But a lot of saws do. But figured I'd try it in the woods, limbing, bucking, falling, and then also try it, you know, see how handy it is in a wood pile. For a wood cutter, for a firewood cutter, this saw, I would say, is a thumbs up. Fill her up with fuel and keep the chain sharp and run it. Hi everyone. Quick little interjection here. I just want to let you know that the videos of the 026, the rings are still we're still trying to get the rings seated on the 26, and we're coming along with that. So when you see that in videos, it will be progress with the 26. And also when you see the 390, like this video as opposed to the last video. The last video was with a different muffler. This one is with a dual port coming out of the front muffler that I modified. So we're just getting to know the saw. It's a thing. We're getting to know the saw. We will be changing carburetors and possibly going to a different muffler. But for this time of year, I'm going to stay with that muffler because it's hot and I can put the spark arresters on it, so it stays within the standards. If I go cut firewood on public land, you have to have you have to have spark arresters where I live. So anyway, it's just we're in progress. We're in the process of getting to know the saw, like I said, and seeing where it's going to settle down to run the best that it can run where I live. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the videos. The next one, you know, we got more coming up, more coming with the 390. It's coming along, so stay in the loop and keep being kind. I love you all. Hope you enjoy the video. going pretty good. That's a different muffler. And could possibly see another one. You just never know around here. Thanks everybody for joining me on this one. Just a trip to the log deck, trying out some different stuff. The ported cylinder, some, you know, running the ported cylinder from Chippy some more with that different muffler. And this has got a 24-inch bar on it, skip tooth 3/8 050. Thanks Chippy. Go check out Chippy's ATV on YouTube. Go check him out. He sent me that cylinder from Canada to put on this saw, without the saw, just the cylinder. And the 390 JK Saw Shop. Go check out JK Saw Shop. It's coming along, buddy. It's coming along great. Like I said, this is stock chain, 32-inch, full house. It's stock. It's got a cord of wood already cut with it. One tree fell and bucked up into 2 Toyota loads. So that chain's already cut a cord of wood. So, and this wood is tamarack, which is harder when it's dry. Cutting fine. It's not over revving the engine, nothing. It's still biting, still doing good. So got some good use out of the PV today. Appreciate that. Awesome subscriber. Got so many amazing people here on this channel, and I truly do appreciate everybody's support. Whether you just watch the video, and if you don't like it and you don't comment, you don't dislike it, that's fine with me. If you watch it, you support the channel. If you hit the thumbs up, you support the channel. If you hit the thumbs down, it's a support to the channel. Comments help the channel. Everything helps the channel grow. And as the channel grows, we're able to continue to go and continue to put out good content and come here and say hello to all of my awesome YouTube friends all around the world. I'm saying hello to everybody around the world. We've got people from the UK, we've got people from Australia, we got people from the Netherlands, we got people from Germany, we got people from Russia, we have people from everywhere, in every corner of the United States. We got Canada, we have people here from everywhere. So please join in the comments, see where people are from, say hello, welcome the newcomers. Yes, welcome to the new subscribers. We appreciate your support. We really do. So on that note, go check out JK Saw Shop on YouTube and go check out Chippy's ATV. Hot Rod 26, look at that full wrap handle, huh? That right there is off of an 044. 441, whatever else it fits. But I know that it's the design that came with the original 44. And there it is on the 26, and it seems to work pretty good. It's a little bit close to the brake, but oh well, right? Those are the brakes, right? That's just another safety attribute, I guess you could call it. Closer to your hand, it'll get hit quicker if you get in a jam. All right, everybody, love you all. Take care and be safe. And also, this footage from this video, as you can tell, is majority of it is on the GoPro. I'm trying a little bit different stuff. Let's see what it looks like. Let me know in the comments when you see this video what you think of just the YouTube, if it's okay if I, you know, to do some of that. If it's blurry and it's wonky and whatever, then I'll just X-nay it. You know, I'll go watch it, see what it looks like. Let me know what you think. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. If you need a PV, go here. I have no ties to this company, but this PV is rock solid. PV Manufacturing, Eddington, Maine. Go check them out. They sell other stuff too. Axes, axe handles, PVs, cant hooks. They sell a bunch of stuff. Be kind.